I'm here with Apple's new iPad Pro. It's the 10.5-inch model, and it's the best iPad Apple has ever made. On the hardware side, there are a lot of improvements here. First of all, the screen. It's a 10.5-inch screen, which is slightly larger than the old 9.7-inch screen. That larger screen means Apple was able to fit a full-size keyboard as opposed to the miniature keyboard that was on the 9.7-inch model. The new screen also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means content flows a lot more smoothly than ever before. It's also great for the Apple Pencil accessory, which means your drawings feels more natural to write on. The processor also got a nice speed boost. It's running Apple's new A10X processor, which is the fastest it's ever made. And for the camera, if you do want to take pictures with this iPad, it has the same camera that you'll find in the iPhone 7, so your pictures are going to look great. However, it doesn't quite live up to Apple's promise to be the iPad that can replace your laptop. There are still a few things wrong with it, especially when it comes to the keyboard. But later this year, iOS 11 is coming out, and it's going to provide a huge update to the iPad software that adds a lot more Mac-like capabilities, like a new file system and a multitasking feature where Windows can float above other apps. And it's going to have a new dock that lets you switch between apps without having to return to the home screen. Now, the big question is, if you already have an iPad, should you upgrade or not? If you're already using one of the iPad Pros, you can probably keep that for now and you'll be fine for a couple of years. But if you're using one of the older iPads from 3 or 4 years ago and want to boost in performance and capability, this is definitely the first iPad you should look at. Overall, this is a step in the right direction for the iPad. It's becoming more functional and more capable, but there's still a lot of things that need to be done in order for it to be the true laptop replacement Apple thinks it is.